Mark Hosky, Control Engineering and Plant Engineering here at Automation Fair. We're with Jason Anderson at Stratus, and he's going to tell us about some of the leading trends in edge computing.
Great.
Jason.
So, thank you, Mark. Three big things to look for in edge computing these days are, let's start with the basics of, is it a secure device? Increasingly, edge compute devices are being exposed to the cloud. They're getting exposed to other types of outside sources. Maybe you're having software applications delivered as a service. So you have to make sure that the system itself is safe from penetration, but you also have to make sure that the system is running trusted software and the networking connectivity is very well controlled. Those are all things that we build into our device specifically to enable it to be a very secure edge computing platform. Secondarily, I think you have to really think about where you're going to actually process the data. We have two of our edge computing platforms here today. Down here below is FT Server. FT Server is perfect in a control room scenario where maybe you have good climate control. Up here above is our newer product, ZTC Edge. ZTC Edge is actually built to be embedded into the machine itself. So we're deployed in packaging machines or in extreme situations such as high dust or high heat environments. Usually that's a ruggedized system that delivers similar capabilities but really designed for the machine level computing. I think the third consideration is ultimately working with your software partners to understand how to make sure that the system runs very well and the software and hardware experience is very serviceable. It's getting harder and harder and harder to find good help these days to make sure these systems run. Unfortunately, the systems are getting more and more and more complex, so we really put a heavy focus at Stratus in making sure the machine's very serviceable so it's not hard or expensive to repair it, maintain it, and keep it running for years to come.
Thank you.
There you go, no problem.